In the following clip, you will learn how to replace the battery on the Huawei P40 Lite. You can find spare parts and tools in the video description. For safety reasons, the battery should be charged below 20%. With a hairdryer that can be heated up to 60 degrees Celsius, heat up the back cover so that the adhesive with which the back cover is attached loosens. Position the suction cup and use a flat tool to slide along the edges. Be careful not to go in too deep. Remove the tin-marked Phillips screws. Remove the NFC-Module. Now you can disconnect the battery connection. Remove the adhesive strips as shown in our video. If they tear, you can use the hairdryer to gently soften the glue. Now use the appropriate adhesive strips or some double-sided adhesive tape for the new battery. Insert the new battery and press it tight. Fix the battery flex connection. Remove the adhesive residues around the camera cover. Put the NFC module back in its place. Now insert the tin screws and screw them in. Attach a suitable adhesive film for the back cover. Now position the back cover and carefully press it down. Glad we repaired together. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell.